Extreme demand at the $20,000 price point for Bitcoin appears to have forced the coins back into the hands of investors who care less about price while creating a new realized price level. In the latest week on-chain newsletter published on July 25th, Glassnode's Korea pointed to extreme demand around the $20,000 region, noting that at each psychological price level from $40,000 to $30,000 to $20,000 creates a new group of short-term holders. The Glassnode analyst noted that much of the supply that new STHs bought during the drawdown has not been sold even though prices are significantly down. This may be due to less price-sensitive buyers, or those who care more about Bitcoin fundamentals than investment gains, driving demand. Between late April through June, BTC price has fallen 55% from $40,000 to a low of about $18,100 according to CoinGecko. Glassnode wrote that this suggests the newly minted STHs are price-insensitive buyers with more confidence in Bitcoin, adding that their conversion from a STH to a long-term holder who does not sell for at least 155 days would help confirm this.